Hey guys, welcome to Ride with Technicals. So today's topic is symmetrical triangle. So what is a symmetrical triangle? A symmetrical triangle chart pattern represents a period of consolidation before the price is forced to break out or break down. A breakdown from the lower trend line marks the start of a new bearish trend, while breakout from the upper trend line indicates the start of a new bullish trend. Symmetrical triangles are also called coil or converging triangles. It usually forms during a trend as a continuation pattern. So these are the three things you need to keep in mind to plot a perfect symmetrical triangle. First, touch points. There should be at least two touch points on either side of the trend line. Second, identify symmetry. The upper trend line should slope downwards and the lower trend line should slope upwards. That is, there should be a series of lower highs and higher lows to qualify it as a symmetry. Third, duration. The formation should last from few weeks to many months. Any formation less than 3 weeks is not considered as symmetry. It is usually a pennant. The next 3 points which I'll discuss now can be used as confirmation and not compulsion. First, volumes. High volumes during the breakout or breakdown adds more strength to the pattern. Second, retest. After the breakout, the stock may return to the trend line. This phenomena is known as retest, and this retest can be used to add on to the position. Third, price target. Once the price breaks out of the pattern, targets are calculated using the widest distance of the symmetrical triangle. This can be measured and applied to the breakout point. Now I'll show you a live example where this pattern occurred. The stock now visible on your screen is Reliance Industries. I have drawn a symmetrical triangle on the stock. The stock was in symmetry for almost 9 years. Now let's see how this stock performed. The stock breaks out of the pattern in early 2017. The target of the stock comes around 1050 levels. The stock not only reaches the target but moves way past our estimated target, reaching all-time highs, giving nearly 250% return in last 3.5 years. I have another symmetry to show you. There is another symmetry on the same stock which occurred in late 2018. The symmetry which I have drawn has fulfilled all the criteria of a perfect symmetry. Firstly, there should be at least two touch points on either side of the sloping lines. By the way, we have more than two. Secondly, there should be a series of higher lows and lower high formation. Yes, we have it too. Lastly, the duration of the symmetry should be more than 3 weeks. By the way, it's more than 6 months. So it's acceptable. So hence we can conclude that this is a perfect symmetry. The stock broke out from the pattern in early 2019 and it achieved its target in next 5 months. Now traders usually eliminate their plotting as soon as the target has been achieved, but these lines play a very important role in future as well. I'll show you how this 2-year-old plotting is important in current market scenario as well. If I extend the lower rising trend line into the future, we see that how important is this line. Every hit on the line has acted as a supply juncture or a demand level, and it can be traded with confidence. So this is all you need to know about symmetrical triangles. So this is it for today. I'll be out with my next video soon, where we will discuss symmetrical formations in current markets. If you want to stay updated with charts and would like to solve your own queries, you can join my Telegram group, Ride with Technicals. You can find the link of the group in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you have learned something watching this, please stay updated with this channel for further learnings. Thank you.